Thank you for visiting the Teach and Beats Podclass. With busy schedules, people often turn to convenient options to prepare meals. One reliable choice is canned, pre-cooked meat, which can be used in a variety of dishes like sandwiches, stews, and stir-fries. This particular canned meat is carefully crafted in small batches by a traditional cannery, using only meat and sea salt, no artificial ingredients or preservatives. When a shipment of meat arrives, the quality control manager records its lot code for tracking and ensures that the meat's temperature is within the required range of 0 to 39 Fahrenheit. A skilled butcher inspects the meat, trims off excess fat, and slices larger cuts into smaller pieces to fit through the dicing machine. The dicer then chops the meat into 1-inch cubes. At the filling station, aluminum cans rotate on a table. One worker shovels diced meat onto the table's center, while others manually fill the cans and inspect the meat for quality, discarding discolored or overly fatty pieces. The technicians then add a single cube of sea salt to each can, ensuring it's the only additional ingredient. At the next station, workers weigh each can, adjusting the meat content to meet the exact required weight. The filled cans are sent to the cook room, where they pass through a preheater that uses steam to expel trapped air. Next, the cans enter a sealing machine where the meat is compressed to leave adequate headspace, ensuring an airtight seal. A process called double seaming attaches the lids by rolling the edges of the lid and can together. The cans are then cooked in a commercial pressure cooker. The cooking temperature and time vary depending on the meat type and can size. Once done, the cans are set aside to cool and dry. In the packaging area, a worker inspects the cans for dents or seal issues before loading them into the labeling machine. Glue is applied, and labels wrap around the cans, while a machine simultaneously prints a best before date and a lot code on each can. Finally, an inkjet printer applies the date for reference. Thanks to proper cooking and airtight seals, these cans of meat boast an impressive 5-year shelf life, making them a reliable pantry staple. Thank you for visiting the Teach and Beats Podclass. If this video taught you anything, hit the like. If you want to learn more on the channel, hit the subscribe and put the notification bells on. Until next time, stay sharp. See you later.